Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making a turtleneck tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification button so you'll be notified when next I upload a video. So right now I'm going to go ahead and draft on my pattern paper first before moving to the main fabric. Top of your pattern paper you get 4 inches, and then from that 4 inches you get your chest bust, your chest line, your half length and your full length, just these 3 measurements. Then you get every other body measurement that you need after that 4 inches. So on this 4 inches now you're going to get another 4 inches from the middle point of the fabric. You get your 4 inches, then you line it up, and then you find your shoulder plus half inches for allowance, for sewing allowance. Then on your chest line you measure the same shoulder and then you connect it. That's your shoulder divided by 2, then you connect it together. I believe most of you already know these areas. Here you reduce 1 inches from your shoulder point and then you slant it. You slant your shoulder, get the midpoint and go in with 0.7 inches. That's 2 inches after your half inches. Then you connect the lines together. So now the next thing on board now is to find your bust measurement. So because of we are using lycra material that is very stretchy, you use your bust measurement divide by 4 plus 1 inches, because lycra is very stretchy. So don't mind me, I actually did 1.5, but later on I removed the half. I used just 1 inches because lycra is very stretchy. But once your own is not that stretchy, then you go ahead and use 2 inches allowance or 1.5 inches allowance. Then also go ahead, find your waist measurement, that's on your half length, and then your hip measurement you're going to divide it on your full length. You are getting your hip measurement divide by 4. Also you connect your lines together and then you cut your pattern paper. So please hold on, before cutting your pattern paper we have to curve our turtleneck. So we are curving it with just either half inches or 2 inches after your half inches. You just use it and curve your turtleneck. You just curve it the same way you curved your armhole. You're going to curve your turtleneck. So now after curving it you can go ahead and cut it out. So this is the after result of what I did. I've already gone ahead to cut my main fabric. Please, when cutting your main fabric, the side that stretches most should be on the side. The place that does not stretch so much should go down. You understand? Like the way I'm stretching it now, that's the way that stretches the most. So you're cutting it that way so that even if you add flesh tomorrow, it will still enter you. You understand? So the next thing we are going to do now is to first of all sew the sides of our turtleneck, the both sides. We are going to go sew it, and then also go ahead and cut your sleeve, sewing, and already give it a cut, small cuts. Then on the both sides, the next thing now is to attach our sleeve. So for your sleeve you're going to fold the round sleeve, and then from the middle point to the middle point of your sleeve, from the middle of your shoulder point to the middle of the sleeve, when you're cutting your sleeve you're going to give it a notch. So from that middle you sew it round your round sleeve. You just sew it round. From that middle you sew it to the other end, from the middle also you sew it to the other end. So you do that for the both side of the top. So guys, I just remembered something. When working on the lycra material, just try to be stretching it while you are sewing it. You understand? While you are sewing it, just be stretching the material, because if you don't do that you end up losing all the thread that you sewed. You will end up losing all your seam, will end up losing after sewing. So you just go ahead and join your materials together after working on the sleeve. Also fold the down part of it, so you're done. I actually joined it together with 1 inches because I added 1 inches allowance. So you can see the way I'm stretching this thing now. I've already sewed on it. You can see the way I'm stretching it and it's not losing. All the things I worked on is not losing. So that's what I'm telling you. If you're working on a lycra material, be stretching it while you are working on it, while you're sewing on it. Be stretching it. And for the neck is optional. I mean, the round neck is optional. If you want to fold it, you can still go ahead and fold it, but I didn't fold my. So if you want to fold the round of your neck, you can just go ahead and fold it. If you don't want, you can just wear it and then fold it inside while wearing it. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question at all, you can just leave it in the comment section. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.